Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making Vanpayar Thoran in Kerala style, which is red pea cow sabji or red lobia sabji. For this I have taken 1 cup of red lobia which I have soaked for 2 hours. It's best to soak overnight, which helps to fasten the cooking process. Let's see the ingredients. I have taken 30 shallots. If you do not have shallots, you may use 1 onion, few curry leaves, 5 cloves of big garlic, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, half cup of grated coconut and a green chilli. Take a pressure cooker, add the lobia, add 1 cup of water, add a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a slit of green chilli. Close the lid and pressure cook this for 8 whistles. If the red pea cow is soaked overnight, pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles. That should be good enough. Open the lid once the pressure is released. Lobia has cooked very well. Now keep it aside. Take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once a splutter, add a pinch of fenugreek seeds. Now add few curry leaves. Add the chopped garlic. Sautee on medium flame for a couple of minutes till it turns golden brown. Now add the shallots. Sautee for a minute. Now add the chili flakes and some salt. Sautee till it turns golden brown like so. Now add the grated coconut. Sautee till it turns slight brown like so. At this stage, add the cooked red pea cow. Give it a nice mix. Bring everything together like so. Make a pyramid form. This helps for even cooking and brings out the flavors well. Cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame till all the flavors combine very well together. Now open the lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame to evaporate any water left. Garnish it with some curry leaves and that's it. A delicious Vanpayar Thoran is ready to be served. This can be enjoyed with dal rice or kadai rice or even with chapati. This tastes delicious. Definitely give it a try. Hope you have liked the recipe. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.